Hi guys, so we are going to do a Java crash course. So basically for this we need to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. That is, you have to search Eclipse for Enterprise Java Developer in Google and you will see Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click in this link and you can see here is the link for download links. You can go here and click on Windows, Mac OS or Linux, depends on your operating system. And from there, after downloading, you will see this page and you have to click on Eclipse and we have to select the workspace from here, launch. Okay, so this is the welcome page of Eclipse IDE and we have to create a new project and let's test our IDE is working or not. Create project, select Java project and the project name will be test. Finish. Don't create. No. So close this and we can see here and create okay, here's the src folder and create a class here, new class, and select the name of the class as test. By convention T should be capital. Finish. Okay, so now we can check whether our Eclipse IDE is working or not. So for that, and method and system, and we can check. Hey, we are going to learn Java. Okay, save it and run. Okay, so we can see that our first testing program is running. So our Eclipse IDE is working. So in the next video we will see the data types, different data types in Java. Okay, thank you for watching.